Hello everybody, HUNE Superboy time again. Oh no, no water on my face. I spent hours for the live show makeup. Oh my god, HUNE do a better job than my makeup. So today my topic is HUNE waterproof product. Firstly, I would like to show you how great our product is. Do you feel more confident now? Actually, from the structure and material, we think a lot in this part, so that's why most of product meet IP55. Want to know more about our waterproof product? Please go to our website here, or you can leave your contact information in our Facebook, then we will contact you back in a flash speed.